All right, what's up, y'all? We're gonna have to make this kind of fast because I'm at the park with my kids. You know, I'm a mompreneur, so we on that vibe. All right, so we're gonna jump right in. All right, y'all. If you really serious about hopping on YouTube and starting a successful YouTube channel, then let me go ahead and give you my 10-step blueprint for getting started the right way. Now, this is what I would do going back, making sure that I'm starting on the right foot. All right, so let me share this tea with you. Tap in with me. Getting started with your successful YouTube channel, number one, you are going to need to pick a motherfucking niche, okay? And I'm not saying like it has to be some, niche that you have no association with. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm not saying it has to be something that you don't know nothing about, okay? You have no connection to. Make sure it's something that you have a connection to, whether it's lifestyle, traveling, beauty, you into fashion, you one of them girlies, okay? Make sure it has a connection to you, but make sure you hone down and pick a niche. It's your identity stamp here on YouTube. It's what lets everybody know who you are and what type of content they can expect from you. It's very important that you pick a niche, because if you don't, YouTube is going to be like, okay, well, what do I do with this person's content? It's probably not going to get pushed out. So go ahead, pick your mother niche. And also, it's very important to pick your niche, because your niche is going to tell you who your target audience is. And knowing your target audience, let me tell you, is key, because you can't just be getting on here and not knowing who you're talking to. That's just like going down the street and you just randomly talking to people. No, you want to know who your audience is so that you can be able to better serve them the content in which they want to see. Now that you picked your niche, it's time for you to sit down, okay? Grab a pen and paper, or you can use your phone or whatever you use to write or jot down your ideas. It's time to brainstorm. Yes, I'm saying you got to put in a little work. It's not just about picking up your phone and just recording sometimes. You have to have a plan. You have to have some structure, okay? So this is where that plan and that structure come in. Let me get them a snack right now because they tripping. Hold on. Let me give you a little homework to do. Yes, that's what we doing. We in school, y'all. I want you to take the time to grab your phone or grab a pencil and paper, old school like me, okay? And take the time to just brainstorm at least 10 different video ideas for your niche. Okay, 10 different video ideas that you can think of off the top of your dome that's going to be exciting not only to you, but to your audience as well. And one tip that I'm going to add to that is, after you have brainstormed your 10 ideas for your content, if you can do this for at least 3 of them, the 3 that you're going to do the most recent, jot down like a little rough draft of the key points that you're going to be talking about. I'm going to tell you right now, your future self is going to save you, okay? Because it's going to help you with the flow of your video when you're ready to film. All right, we're going to move on to number 3. And number 3 is all about creating your filming schedule so that you can be a consistent content creator, all right? I'm going to tell you, as a mompreneur who got kids, it is very important for me to put together a schedule, a time in which I know I can film, I'm not going to be interrupted, and I'm going to be able to get things done. This is not mentioned, okay? But you need to have a really good filming location or a backdrop for your content, okay? So whatever you want that to look like, it's now time to set that up. So if you got a little corner in your house, if you got a desk or whatever that may be, you want to put some artwork up on the wall, now it's time for you to set up your filming location. All right, set up the tripod at the level in which you want to film, set up your lighting, do all of those things. Do a little test run of how you're going to look in that filming location. Make it look good, all right? You making a movie, right? So make your movie look good. Make the background of your movie look good, all right? Now it's time for you to decide what you want to film with. Now, don't sleep on this, because you want the quality of your film to be good. You want it to be crisp, you want it to be clear, and you want it to be clean. So whether you're using your phone, a new camera that you want to buy, or a new mic, make sure that you have what you want to use already prepared and ready to go. Make sure your phone, if you're using that, is on the correct settings, all right? All of those things need to be checked and in place now. All right, so through this 10 steps, I've been taking y'all on the roller coaster, right? So now we at the top of the roller coaster, y'all. Number 6, y'all are ready to film your content. This is what I'm going to tell you. The most important things for me to remember when it's now time to film my content, keep this in mind. You need to grab your audience attention in the first 5 seconds. First 5 seconds, that's it. You only got 5 seconds. Grab your audience attention, and for the at least next 2 minutes, keep their attention. All right. You're a new YouTuber. Don't nobody know you. So just jump straight to the point. Get to the point of why the people are there to watch your video. Get to the point of why they clicked on your video. What's wrong, mama? She even got rocks in her hair, y'all. I don't know where this came from. I hope it's rocks. Is it rocks? This is the key right here. And I'm going to tell you right now. Be yourself. Be yourself. When it's time to film, don't be putting on that voice of whoever you heard on YouTube and you think that that's what you're supposed to sound like. Nah. Put on your voice and deliver the message like how you would be talking to your friend next to you on a couch. I'm going to tell you right now, like that's how you're going to have to deliver your content. Because if you deliver it in any kind of way, people are going to red flag you as being fake or trying to sell them on something. And they don't want to hear that, all right? We tired of people trying to sell us stuff. So just come with the real, all right? Just come with the real. Be you. Be authentically you, all right? And watch your people vibe with you. Contrary to what you believe, you need to have some editing skills, okay? Just a little bit. You need to know how to edit just a little bit of something. If you want to have a successful YouTube channel and you want people to take your content serious, you're going to have to know how to edit. You're going to have to know how to edit a little bit. I'm going to have to just bust your bubble on that. Get your editing skills together, all right? Learn CapCut. Learn a little bit of CapCut. It's free, all right? It ain't gonna cost you nothing. Just get on there, do a little whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop-whoop, see what's up, and learn a little bit of something. It ain't gonna take you long. That's it. Now it's time for you to move on over to number 8. Number 8 is going to be to focus on your thumbnail, honey. I'm gonna tell you right now, probably about 70% of your success on YouTube, don't quote me on that number, but that's just how I feel. 70% of your success on YouTube is going to be dictated by your mother thumbnail. Yes. So if your thumbnail ain't cracking, if your thumbnail not popping, if your thumbnail not crisp, clear, and looks good, then let me tell you right now. That's not a recipe for success. All right. We're not doing that over here. So go ahead and put a little bit of time into Canva. All right, that's my recommendation. Canva is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Is really for newcomers like myself, because I didn't know nothing about editing or design or anything about that. But Canva had me right. All right, so get on there, make your thumbnails, and if you need a blueprint of what to use, go to your niche, go see who's popping in your niche and see what thumbnails they're using, and that's going to give you the recipe right there for what you need to look like. Boom, you got your thumbnail together. It's crisp, it's clear, and it's popping. All right, so now it's time for you to engage with your audience. It's now time to tap in with your people who are tapping in with you. So if you got people who are commenting, if you got people who are subscribing, anybody who's reaching out to you on your channel, on your platform, you need to do your due diligence to reach out to them in every way, shape, or form that you can, because that's your community. Those are going to be the people that's going to be invested in you and watching your content. On every video that you have, make sure that you're asking your audience questions. Make sure that you're posting a question in the comments. Just talk to the people, engage with them, all right? Because these are the people that's going to want to engage back with you. That's why they're on your channel. All right, y'all. While my ass accidentally pressed the button on my mic and turned it off while I was filming and didn't realize it until I went back and reviewed my film. But listen, we just gonna jump right back in and pretend like that never happened, because that's just what we do. And we're just going to keep it rolling. Number 10, if you want to successfully start a YouTube channel, make sure that you watch YouTube. All right. You need to do your research for your favorite content creators in your niche, or just even outside of your niche in general. Find your favorite content creators, see what they're doing, lurk on their pages. All right. Leave comments. Connect with them the best way that you know how, because you're going to take a little bit of this, you're going to take a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, package that shit up on your channel, and your shit's going to be successful. All right. If you are serious about using YouTube as a platform, as a business platform, follow these steps. I'm Patricia Lachey, y'all. I'm a mommy on a mission, here to make some money online so that I ain't got to go out into the world and work. That's just it, period. Like, I just want to be at home and make my coins. So if you're going to be on that same tip, then go and subscribe and let's get this coin together. I appreciate y'all for clicking on this video and vibing with me. Again, until next time, peace.